Hello. In this video, I'm going to demo how to do a simple text analytics. In particular, we are trying to get the polarity scores from customers' reviews. What is polarity scores? Generally, the scores can be divided into positive reviews, neutral reviews, or negative reviews. So, by using a sample dataset, I'm going to show you using Python programming to get the polarity scores. Before we start, we need to prepare the tools first. First, use your Google account. If you don't have one, please create a Google account and go into your Google Drive. Here, press New and select More, and then connect more apps. Search for Polarity. Click on it, and we install it. We know that our Google Polarity has been installed. Next, let us get the working file. Go to the Jinga Data Analytics Basic repository, scroll down, it is under here. Click on this coding review.ipynb. This is a notebook in Python programming. And after that, we click Open with Google Colab. It will automatically create a copy, which is a new tab here. And this notebook is actually put in your Google Drive. A new folder now appears automatically. When you double click in it, this copy of file is already in it, which is exactly this one. You can change the name here. Let's say I don't want it to be copy of, I just delete it and enter. So this is a simple text analytics demo where the purpose of this demo book is to get the polarity scores of each user review, whether they are positive, negative, or they are neutral. To run this code, we just need to press Ctrl Enter at every cell. What is a cell? This is one cell, the gray color one. So other than clicking Ctrl Enter, you can also just use your mouse to click on this play button to run it. For the first time you run a cell, it takes some time. But since I've already run this, so mine one will be slightly faster. For now, in this class, you don't need to understand all this because all the purpose is just to introduce you and see what we can do with customer review. This customer review file, if you want to see it, you can click on here. And this is the raw data. We have two columns only, which is rating and also review text. For example, the first row, the rating is 5. And the review text is this one, a fun dress to just throw on go and so on. Here I've filtered out over 100 comments for us to demo. The original file is actually here, which is from a Kaggle website, the Women's E-commerce clothing reviews. You can take a look at the original one, but it's slightly different from what I filtered. If you want to use this code in future, you just need to prepare your own review file on your computer, or you can put it onto a website. If it is in your computer, then you need to save it in CSV format and then drag the file to the File tab at our left pane here, which is here. Click on this and drag your file to here. And then replace the file below, which is this one. Replace it with your file name. Or if it is on a website, for example, this data is actually on a website, then we will just need to replace the file with our website address. For this demo, the website address is here. Please don't delete the quotation mark. It must be there. and we can just run the file. So it tells us that we have 115 rows and 2 columns. The first column is rating, and the text is at the second column, the review. We can click play at the next cell, and this time it will automatically calculate for us, is it a negative review, or is it a neutral review, or is it a positive review, and overall, what is the score for this line of comment. For example, the first line of comment by the first user, the score is 0.8025, which is very near to 1. So we can say that this is a very positive review. And if you notice, at line 113, the review is negative 0.5267. So this is a negative review. Eventually, we can write our file back to a CSV file by clicking on this. After it has done, we click on the folder button here again, and then you will see a new file here, finalscore.csv. We can click on the 3 dots and select download. Now, this final score CSV is already downloaded to my folder. I can open it using Microsoft Excel. And from here, we can see the result as just now. If we want to do further analysis, we can add filters by clicking Data pane and select Filter. So from here, we can use this compound score. Let's say we can sort it from smallest to largest. We will know that these few customers give us negative reviews. Or you can sort from largest to smallest to see, oh wow, these few customers give us positive reviews. This is just a very simple demo on how to get the polarity scores from each customer review. Hopefully in future, we'll have chances to discuss further on how to use these polarity scores and how to improve your customer experience. Thank you.